Side hustles. If you spend any time on YouTube, you've probably seen countless videos of people talking about how you can make hundreds of dollars or even thousands of dollars per day doing all types of side hustles. Everything from taking surveys, website reviews, selling pictures and videos, dog walking, shopping, pretty much any type of task that you could think of, there's probably a side hustle for it. But do these things really work for the average person out there? So for years, I've tried so many different side hustles because just like you, I was thinking, how else can I make more money, especially online? And since I saw so many YouTube creators talking about making money through these side hustles, and especially some of them talking about how easy it is to make hundreds or even thousands of dollars per day, I was thinking, I can do it too. But what is the actual results of this? Well, let me put it this way. A lot of these YouTubers, how are they making their money? Is it really through these side hustles? Or is it through the views and all the sponsorships and stuff that they're selling from their videos? So just think about that. But today, I really want to talk about the one category that pretty much anybody can do. And this is the one that's going to give you the most likely chance of success. And this is something that I feel can work for the everyday person. So what is this magical side hustle that actually works? Well, it is a service-based skill. So that is the one type of category that'll pretty much work for everyone out there, because at the end of the day, that's what you're doing whenever you are working a job to get paid. You're offering some type of skill to these businesses or individuals. And you could do the same thing for yourself. And I highly recommend that you kind of look at your current skills and experience and start from there, because then you don't have to learn from the ground up. And if you don't think that's something you still want to do as a side hustle or even as a business, then look to something else that you could learn. And for my personal experience, I actually picked up digital marketing. That is the skill that I learned, which allowed me to not only get jobs, but also side hustles. And then I could also turn it into business as an agency and so forth. And the reason why this will work for a lot of people is because of the fact that most of us out there, we do have some type of skill or experience that is valuable in the market space. And the thing is, most businesses, that's what they are looking for. And starting with a service-based side hustle is going to be the most powerful ways for most people out there to make real money much quicker than if you tried all these other little side hustles that may or may not work. And at the same time, with a lot of these, the work might not be consistent and you don't have as much control versus a service-based business where you provide a skill and experience, you get paid for it. And at the same time, you're also improving your skills where you can use this for your own business if that's something that you wanted to do in the future. So those are my thoughts on side hustles and what I feel is the best category of side hustles. Just think about your current skills and experience and then go out there and sell it and then just make real money from there. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my money videos, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you on another episode. If you love reading books, then check out Audible, which has the largest selection of audiobooks anywhere on the internet. Sign up today and get a 30-day free trial. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below.